So I'm just going to click on create campaign, and I'm going to add A or B split campaign. So I'm going to click on continue, and now in A or B test, it is going to be different from the normal campaign we just created recently or in the past, but we can also name this. So let's name this welcome email. Let's name this welcome email, and we want to make the A or B test should be on email subject. So we can say that the email subject should be the one with the A or B test, or we want to use the from name, or we want to use the email content, or we want to use the sending time. So this actually helps in different ways, and it helps you to be able to carry a test split test on all of this thing. You can use the email content, you can use the subject line. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be using the subject line. It just means that you need to perform a test, different test for subject A, subject B. The same thing applies for email content. For email content, you are going to be creating two different email contents, which is going to be going out to some set of people, and another is going to be going out to another set of people. So let's use the subject line, and by using subject line, we can say something like maybe the first one should be, we are going to insert the name, and we are going to put a comma, and we are going to say maybe it's nice having you here. And the next one can be maybe welcome, it's nice having you here, then the name is after. So you can twist the subject line however you want, and remember that this is the sender email. You can also add a pre-header if you want. You can add the recipient, and also for the recipient, you can choose all subscribers if you want. Let's choose all. So we are going to click on select, and that is going to select all of our subscribers that we currently have. So let me take this up here, and when you are done with that, you can click on next, and when you click on next, it is going to go to the next page of what you need to do. So remember that we are using drag and drop, so let's just continue with drag and drop, and we can add in whatever elements we want to add. Remember that I've explained it in the formal normal campaign we did. You can adjust this, you can add images, you can do all of this. Then when you are done, you click on done editing, and when you click on done editing, I'm going to continue anyway, just so we can move on. Okay, let me resolve this. Okay, yeah. So now I'm in my A or B test, and now I can say that for the first subject line that we created, 25% of our people or of the subscribers should go to the subject A, while subject B should also go to 25% of our subscribers. And we can say we want to select the winners by click, or we want to select the winners by open. Since it's a subject line, we want to say that whoever or which one is having the highest click should, or the highest open should be the winner. So that means 25% of the 23 contact that we have is 6. So 6 will be sent to subject A will be sent to 6 people, subject B will be sent to 6 people, and the winner is going to get the remaining 11. And we are picking this by the number of opens, and we are testing this. That means after 1 day of testing, or you can say after 2 days, after 3 days, whatever days you want to use. You can use hours also if that works for you. So we can say after 2 days of testing, whoever is the winner, whether subject A or subject B, should move on and send to the remaining contact. This is actually very, very good if you want to do if you want to see the content that actually works for your business. So you can also reduce this test this split test and percent. You can say you want to use 20-20. You can say you want to use just 10% of people. So you just edit this however you want. Be free, like use whatever works for you. So when you are done, you click on next review, and when you click on next review, it's going to review all of this. You're going to see your subject 1 and your subject 2, your split test A, your split test B. You're going to see the sender, and you're going to see all of this. You can then decide to schedule this campaign to go out later, or you can send now if you want. So let's schedule it to go out later, and we can use Africa Lagos, which is our time zone. Okay, where is Africa? Lagos. Let me use Lagos. So Africa Lagos is my time zone since I'm from Nigeria. And as you can see the dates here, we can edit these dates and we can use the 12th of February, and we can say we want this campaign to go out 10 a.m. if that works for us, or you can use whatever time works for you, and you can click on schedule. And remember that the winner is going to be selected by open after 2 days. And as you can see, your A and B test email has been scheduled and it is going to be sent in 18 hours. Yeah, in 18 hours. Or which one? Yeah, A and B test is going to be sent here. And as you can see, you can rename this if this works. You can rename this if you want to rename this. You can copy to draft. You can also review the email to see what is going on with this particular email. And as you can see, you can review the content. The track open was enabled. You can see all of the recipients, and you can cancel the sending if you want to cancel it. If you do not want to send out this A and B split test, you can just cancel it, and that will be cancelled. So that is for A and B test. Remember that the difference between A and B test and the regular campaign is just that we are going to be testing different variants, whether we are testing the email subject, or we are testing the subject line of the email, or we are testing the what's it called, the body of the campaign itself. If you are testing the body of the campaign, it is better for you to judge the winner by the number of clicks. And that is because if they are clicking on your campaign, they are clicking some things in your campaign, it is showing that that particular campaign is interactive, and you want to send a particular campaign to every other person that is remaining in your test list. All right, thank you guys. Okay, so before you go, I would like to tell you something very important. We all know email marketing is great and useful for your business, but one thing you should also realize that if you do not set up the system properly in your MailerLite account, it can lead to a lot of hazard, and you do not want that. And that is why Serum Instructors is planning to come in by giving out free slots for discovery call. So if you would like to book your free discovery call, so that we can be able to take a look at your MailerLite account, or so we can be able to set up your email marketing strategy, you can book the link in the description below. And when you set up this call, we are going to help you with your email marketing strategy in your MailerLite account. And also do not forget to like this video and also share with everyone that you think might need this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you are going to get notified anytime we post a video like this. And also, I will see you in my next video. Bye.